Sometimes I'm in the mood for Hawaiian food. Sometimes I'm in the mood for Mexican food. But tonight I'm going to show you how to make Hawaiian tacos. Let's give it a try. Most of my ingredients are already prepped, but I want to do my pineapple and Spam in front of you. All right, fresh pineapple right here. I am not an expert in cutting Hawaiian or tropical fruits for that matter, so if there's a better way to do this, just leave it in the comments down below. That's good looking pineapple right there. Just want to make sure you get all that fruit, and of course you can leave the core behind. And I'm just going to dice that pineapple up into small taco-sized pieces. And next up we have the Spam. Of course, growing up in the 70s and the 80s in Pennsylvania, Spam was a delicious treat, a treat for my dad that he loved to have for breakfast. But of course now we all know that Spam is a Hawaiian preferred delicacy. More Hawaiians eat Spam, or I should say that Hawaiians eat the most Spam of any of the other states, probably as much Spam as all the states combined. And we'll also dice that Spam up into small Hawaiian taco size pieces. And we'll leave that Spam right there on the cutting board so it can start to soak up all that delicious pineapple juice. And let's go ahead and prep the sauce so we can plate these tacos up really quick when we're done. Mayonnaise, red onion, fresh chopped cilantro, a little bit of Blackstone's tequila lime seasoning, and since I actually have fresh limes at the house, some fresh lime juice. And just mix that up. Oh my goodness, that fresh lime. I wish you could smell that. And over to the griddle, which happens to be the 36-inch Blackstone Griddle with hood, the Ace exclusive model. There's a really freaky close-up of Nate's likeness. My griddle is on medium tonight. It's blazing hot, but you're gonna have to find out what works for you. If you have a 17-inch griddle or a 36-inch Pro with 4 burners, you just want to have that thing piping hot. Your favorite cooking oil, followed by fresh garlic, or the next best thing to fresh garlic, which is the garlic paste, followed by, we're using these for color, this is a diced orange bell pepper, and for the spice and the contrast, a diced, almost a minced jalapeño. A little more oil on there. Immediately followed by the pineapple and the Spam. This won't take long at all. Just want to mix up those beautiful colors. Get the sugar from that pineapple mixed up with that Spam. The mixture is cooking nicely, so I'm going to go ahead and turn this right burner, actually both of these burners, all the way off. This is tonight's version of the Tovin Zone. Highway to the Tovin Zone. And I've used these in some other recent videos. Trader Joe's corn and wheat tortillas. That's right, a mixture of corn and wheat. A little bit of cooking oil, and of course, using the griddle top as a comal. These are so nice. Sometimes corn tortillas, you know, break apart so easily and they're hard to work with, but this is a mixture of corn and flour. Make sure you're checking on those tortillas. Oh, actually, look at that. That looks absolutely perfect. Time to flip the tortillas. That's all she wrote for these tortillas. They are ready to go. You don't want to get your tortillas crispy like a cracker. You want them to be very pliable. Oh man, those look good. Woo! And can I get a thumbs up? A little bit of love for those tortillas. Oh my goodness, I mean, check that out. And these disposable aluminum trays come in real handy when you're trying to get stuff off a hot griddle. Let's plate it up. I hope these look half as good on camera as they do in person. The nice thing about these as well, you don't have to double those up the way you would a traditional tortilla because they're nice, or a traditional corn tortilla because they're so thick and they won't break apart. Wow, I am excited to eat these. 2 trays tonight. First up with that beautiful Hawaiian taco filling. Wow. I'm telling you right now, that mixture of pineapple, Spam, and jalapeno is going to be off the charts. And I almost forgot about this little piggy right there. Ooh, he's going to go to the market. And some of that beautiful sauce. Remember, that's mayo, lime juice, tequila, lime, seasoning, fresh cilantro, red onion. Some people just have to have cheese. I usually deny them, but we're gonna sprinkle just a little bit on there tonight to make sure I keep all my friends happy. And a cute little pineapple toothpick in each taco, just because I can. Take a look at that. Eeny, meeny, miny, mo. Let's give it a try. Trying not to talk with my mouth full. I can't say enough about those corn flour tortilla mixtures. Oh wow, the Spam, that cilantro, I taste that lime, the tequila lime in there. Pineapple, baby, pineapple and Spam hand in hand. Oh, and I have to do this for Scott. Shout out to Scott Stevenson. This stuff is so hard to find. It's a Maui Burst Mountain Dew. Check that out. We're doing the Hawaiian tacos. Look at those crazy tikis. Oh yeah. Into my pineapple. Look at that. Ooh, someone's having a luau. Someone's having a luau. Sorry, I was lost in paradise. Thanks for watching, everybody. This is the Griddle Life, man. We're in the Tobin zone, and we're always making it happen with Blackstone. Whew, so good, so refreshing, something totally different. Give it a try. Check us out, blackstoneproducts.com. Follow us on all the social media platforms. And until next time, this is Todd saying praise the Lord and pass the Hawaiian taco. Hawaiian tacos. Is this the Griddle Life? Is this just fantasy?
Bro, the Griddle Life really is a fantasy.